Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you some dies that I received from KSCRAFTs. So I made some projects with them. So let me just show you real quick. First let's show you this die. Okay, so this bow itself, I'm loving this bow. It cuts all those little circles, all those little holes perfectly. So I made a pink one. And then I made a gold one. And then the gold one, I added like that gold flower. I think it came out so cute. So yeah, definitely love this bow. So I made that. This right here, I started, but I didn't finish it yet. If I just figure I'll show you what it looks like. So this is, you can use this as a regular card or turn it into a memory dex card. But this is what it looks like. And it cuts perfectly. So again, this is the part that you will use if you're going to turn it into a memory dex card and you just put it in the bottom. But I haven't finished this one yet, but I wanted to show you anyway what it looks like. So I did that. That's this. Wanted to show you these butterflies. I'm obsessed with butterflies. And these are really cute. I did cut some of them out. So let me just show you. Look how pretty. Just picture these like nice and layered. They come out super cute. I ran out of gold paper. That's why I didn't do the other ones in gold. So that's that. Then I did, oh my god, these balloon dies. I did the big one. Did I cut the little? Oh yes, I cut it. I cut it also. So it cuts like that. Look how pretty. So if you cut it twice, you can actually like fill in those little layers, those little sections. And I used the big one. And it is, let me see. It is 5 inches tall. So it's a nice one. Well, it's a little over 5 inches. And it's almost 4 inches wide, the big part of the balloon. So we got that one. And I made a cute little card with this one. And look how cute. I used my little polka doodles down. She's a dancer, but I kind of like cut one of her legs off. And so she could fit in here. My daughter's like, yeah, really. But anyway, so you don't see her legs anyways. But look how cute. Doesn't it look like her arms are open? The wind is hitting her hair because she's on this gorgeous big hot air balloon. And I did this little sentiment. Just wanted to drop a note. Get it? You know, like dropping a note. She's on a hot air balloon. So cute. I love it. So you see where I'm saying that you can add, like, fill in those little sections. You can actually do it to the whole balloon if you want. But I only did it to the top and the what you call it, the circles. I mean the hearts. Then, so that's that. Then I did this. Oh my god. Guys, you need this corset die. So it comes with 1, 2, 3 layering pieces and 3 bows. It is gorgeous. And you could do the corset 2 different ways. So you could do it like that without the piece in the, or that layering. Look how pretty. Isn't it pretty? So I did a card and I did this one. Look how gorgeous. So this one, I did use the layering piece underneath. This is from my stash. These beautiful little flowers are from Paper Cherries. And this is also from KSCRAFTs, which is this die right here. It's one of my favorites. And yeah, just a quick little project share. I also received, let me see. I also received this phone memory dex, but I haven't cut this one out yet. And then I received this one. And then these cute little hangers. Super cute, right? But just some quick projects. I hope you guys like it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.